Good evening, everybody, and thanks for clicking onto our website, newscentermaine.com. I'm meteorologist Mike Schleifer. Another active weather day here in Maine for most of the state. And at the coastline, a lot of fog and another gray and gloomy day. That's kind of been the story through the holiday weekend, with gloomier conditions at the coast and showers and storms inland. And that's exactly what we see here, too. Somewhere under this mess of clouds is Katahdin, but we've seen a lot of showers and storms, especially through central parts of Maine. The high temperatures reached today only 60 degrees in Bar Harbor and Rockland. We didn't even make it to 70 degrees in Portland. Temperatures inland were a little bit warmer, but even then, really not that warm of a day here in Maine. Western portions of Maine, where we saw some 80s mixed in, was more impressive. And take a look at New Hampshire, 87 degrees, 88, and I do think that we'll start to see some more warmth as we get a little later into the week, but just not in the cards for today. Along the coastline, dealing with fog, and that includes a good portion of the I-95 corridor too, all the way up through Lewiston and Augusta. So just something to keep in mind, especially if you plan on traveling this evening. The holiday weekend starting to wind down for a lot of people. That means more people going to be on the road, so take it slow. We've got plenty of moisture to work with. That means showers and storms are going to continue pretty easily. We don't really have much stopping those from continuing on, and I do think that we will be active for the remainder of the evening, and we've got a chance for some showers and storms overnight. For now, we've got a bit of a severe weather risk, but later on tonight that's going to diminish and won't be much of an issue at all. Current temperatures, again, mostly in the 60s right now. And so far, I've been watching the progression of that fog along the coastline, and I don't think we're going to need a break from that. In fact, I think we'll see it push inland tonight, maybe even as far as 20 or 30 miles inland. 76 in Freiburg right now. That is the warm spot in Maine. And again, those temperatures really not all that impressive for this time of year. Things were a bit chilly and gloomy. Here's those showers and thunderstorms, keeping an eye on these storms that are firing up now in the western mountains especially, and some of the storms through the Katahdin region too. That's where we've had some more impressive reports of showers and storms. On the northern edge of Moosehead Lake earlier this evening, we had a report of hail about a ½ inch in diameter. So that's pretty impressive hail there. Not quite at that severe limit, but like I've been saying over the last few days, you don't need a severe warning on a storm for it to be strong and cause some issues. So that's a perfect example there. Overnight tonight, we'll watch those showers and storms push closer to the coastline. As they run into that stable coastal air, we lose the severe weather risk, but we definitely still have to watch for some showers and storms before clearing things out into your Monday morning. Fog lingers at the coastline to start off the day on Monday, but in the afternoon we finally get a break and we will get to enjoy a little bit of sunshine with high pressure overhead. The problem with this is that our onshore flow returns on Tuesday. That means that Tuesday again looks like we'll be socked in with low clouds, especially at the coastline. Right now I'm anticipating partly to mostly cloudy skies across all of Maine with overcast conditions right at the coast for Tuesday. Warm front pushes through Wednesday. Showers and storms on the way. Things are going to be humid and unsettled as we get into the end of the week. Thursday looks like a better chance for more sunshine. I'm keeping an eye on this system down here too, and the reason for that is because at some point it's going to push north. If it doesn't get kicked out to sea, we could be talking about a flooding risk here by next weekend, which is a stark contrast compared to where we've been. Our drought monitor still shows a moderate drought throughout much of Maine. So what that means is that as we get into the later part of the week, we'll have a better idea of where that storm's going to track. And either way, I think it's going to be a bit messy here next weekend with some showers and storms. And with that, too, comes wind out of the south and southwest. So we do push in a little bit more warmth. It's looking likely that we will see above average temperatures as dictated by the red shading here. But overall, comes with that risk for more humidity, more showers and thunderstorms. So something to watch there as we get later into the week. For tomorrow, seas 2 to 3 feet, north wind 5 to 10 knots becoming east. So while that north wind is in effect, that's going to push all of the fog away from the coastline. We finally get some sun. It'll be drier. Tuesday inland, more clouds than sun, but still a bit of sunshine poking through, only about 76 degrees, 80 on Wednesday. 90 on Thursday, 91 on Friday. Still thinking we'll get hot and humid by the end of the week. Rain and storm chances both Saturday and Sunday. For the coastline, 77 on Monday. Some fog in the morning. After we finally kick that out, we'll get some afternoon sun. Cloudy and cool on Tuesday, highs in the 60s to near 70 degrees. 78 on Wednesday, 83 on Thursday, 84 on Friday. A bit more humid at the end of the week for sure. And then there it is again. Those rain chances for Saturday and Sunday. And depending on just how much rain we push through, we could be talking about some high water as we get into the weekend. But that's still a week out. Let's get through the next few days first. Thanks everybody for clicking online here. We will see you live on News Center Maine at 11.